Welcome to our beginner's guide to cryptocurrency in 2025. If you're new to the world of crypto, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about cryptocurrency. What it is, how it works, and why it's becoming such a big deal in today's financial world. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a type of digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. Unlike traditional money, it operates on a decentralized system called blockchain, which ensures transparency and eliminates the need for intermediaries like banks. How does it work? Here are the basics. Blockchain technology. This is a distributed ledger that records all transactions across a network. It's secure, transparent, and immutable. Mining. The process of validating transactions and adding them to the blockchain. Miners are rewarded with crypto tokens for their work. Wallets. You store your cryptocurrency in digital wallets. These come in two main types: hot wallets, online, and cold wallets, offline. Popular cryptos. Bitcoin and Ethereum are the two most well-known, but there are thousands of other cryptocurrencies like Solana, Cardano, and more. Why is cryptocurrency important? Decentralization. No single authority controls it. Global transactions. You can send money across borders instantly with low fees. Investment opportunities. Many see crypto as a way to diversify investments and hedge against inflation. Start small. Only invest what you can afford to lose. Do your research. Understand the projects behind each cryptocurrency. Use a trusted platform. It's crucial to use a reliable exchange for buying and trading. Ready to get started? If you're ready to dive into cryptocurrency, the first step is to open an account with a trusted Forex and crypto trading platform. We've provided a link to one of the most reliable platforms in the industry in the description and pinned comment below. Don't miss out on the opportunity to take your first steps into the world of digital assets. If you found this video helpful, give us a like to let us know you enjoyed the content. Share this video with friends who are curious about crypto. Subscribe to our channel for more informative videos about cryptocurrency, investing, and finance. Speech Balloon have questions or need more guidance? Leave a comment below, and we'll be happy to help.
Here we go. I see the light inside you, brighter than the skies. Hold on, just let us escape and fly away tonight.